including climate change, deforestation, and pollution. To raise awareness, I invite Aradhya onto the stage to recite a poem about Earth.
She already ഭൂമിക്ക് ഇനിയും മരിക്കാത്ത ഭൂമി നിന്യാസന്യമൃതിയിൽ നിനക്കാത്മ ശാന്തി ഇതു നിന്റെ എന്റെയും ചരമശുശ്രൂഷയ്ക്ക് ഹൃദയത്തിൽ കുറിച്ച് ഗീതം മൃതിയുടെ കറുത്ത വിഷപുഷ്പം വിടർന്നതിൽ നിഴലിൽ നാളെ മരവിക്കേ ഉയരറ്റ നിൻമുഖത്തശ്രുബിന്ദുക്കള ഉദകം പകർന്നു വിലപിക്കാൻ ഇവിടെ അവശേഷിക്കയില്ലാരും ഈ ഞാനും ഇതു നിനക്കായി ഞാൻ കുറിച്ചിടുന്നു ഇനിയും മരിക്കാത്ത ഭൂമി നിന്നാസന്നമൃതിയിൽ നിനക്കാത്മശാന്തി.
Wow, it was truly amazing. Earth, our nurturing mother cradles us in her boundaries embrace, offering like substance and shelter through every dawn and dusk.
അതെ, സ്നേഹത്തിന്റെയും കാരുണ്യത്തിന്റെയും ക്ഷമയുടെയും ധൈര്യത്തിന്റെയും പൂർണ്ണഭാവമാണ് അമ്മ. പ്രകൃതി അമ്മയാണ്. പ്രകൃതിയുടെ കൈകളിൽ സുരക്ഷിതമായി ജീവിക്കണമെങ്കിൽ നാം ഓരോരുത്തരും പ്രകൃതിയെ സ്നേഹിക്കണം.
Now, please join me in welcoming Sandra and Sri Parvati for a dazzling performance.
Earth is the only known planet having life in this universe. We should respect and maintain everything we get from our Mother Earth.
invite some of my friends to the stage to present a skit to raise awareness about the importance of ozone.
Are you ready, Adil?
No, I am getting ready. It is not enough. I need a little more perfume.
Stop using this. Most perfume contain chemicals known as CFC which will reach the stratosphere and deplete the ozone layer.
Is it?
At the same time, at stratosphere,
Oh, son, I'm feeling so hot. The UV rays are getting stronger and it's affecting my climate.
Don't worry, Earth. I am here to help. I am your protective layer up high, shielding you from those harmful UV rays.
But I have been noticing more holes in your layer. What's causing this?
It's true. Certain chemicals from human activity like CFC and other pollutants have been thinning out me. But we can work together to fix this.
What can I do to help you?
Start by encouraging people to reduce the use of products that harms the atmosphere, support regulation that limit pollutants, and promote alternative energy sources. Every little effort counts.
I will make sure to spread the word. And what can people do right now?
They can reduce energy consumption, use public transport, and choose eco-friendly products. Also support organizations that work in protecting the environment helps a lot.
Thanks, Ozone. I feel more hopeful knowing you are in my side.
And remember, together we can keep balance and ensure a healthier future. Happy Ozone Day, everyone! Thank you, friends. Now you would understand that ignoring ozone's importance could lead to more frequent disasters. So, giving more information, I invite some of my friends to present some quotes about ozone.
Protect ozone because it's a nature's air filter.
Protect ozone, protect the future.
Ozone is an earth shield against the sun.
That was excellent. It truly highlighted the critical role of ozone layer. Thank you, friends.
Earth is our home because our planet is the only place where we can live and thrive. And it is not just a habitat but a dynamic life-sustaining system that nurtures and connects living beings. Now I welcome some of my friends for a song.
The earth is my home. I promise to keep it healthy and beautiful. I love the land, the air and the water, and all living creatures. I will be a defender of my planet, united with friends. I will
Good morning, all of you. Honorable dignitaries, respected sisters, my dear teachers, and dear children. As you know that today we are observing Ozone Day because of our autumn holidays. September 16 is a holiday for us, isn't it? Yes. So today we heard some new facts about ozone. I hope my team gave some important facts about ozone. Is it? Did you get any idea about ozone? What is ozone? What is ozone? It's a layer that protects our planet. It acts like an umbrella, isn't it? So smaller ones, you can look at the stage. There you can see an umbrella. What's that umbrella? Is that your umbrella or my umbrella? It's our umbrella, our planet's umbrella, ozone. The chemical formula of ozone is O3. Being a chemistry teacher, I can tell the formula of ozone. Okay, so you will learn more about ozone in higher class. So, we may think that what we can do to protect our layer. Now, we faced a terrible landslide in Wayanad. What's the reason for this? Many reasons are there. Anyway, the main reason is in our hand. Daily, we are using deodorants, perfumes, and refrigerators and ACs are everywhere, isn't it? Yes. So we may think that what is happening when we are using one deodorant or perfumes? Nothing will happen. So each and everyone is using perfumes day by day, isn't it? So when we use deodorant or perfumes, so from there, ozone depleting gases are releasing to the atmosphere. Also, you may notice that your mother will be opening your refrigerator in a day, I think more than 100 times, isn't it? Isn't it? So when we open the refrigerator, the CFC or freon gas is eliminating to the atmosphere, and from that freon, chlorine radical is releasing and it may deplete our ozone. Okay, what happens when the ozone gets depleted? The UV rays are directly coming to our planet. We can't hold that UV rays because it's terrible for us. So actually it's one of the main reasons of the landslides and the climate change in our planet. So let's have a change. We may think what we can do within the limited situations. We want to use, without refrigerator we can't, nowadays we can't survive, isn't it? Everything we are keeping inside the refrigerator and we are using air conditioners. So tell your parents to reduce the opening of the refrigerator, and when your mother is opening your refrigerator, tell her to take everything that she need to prepare your dishes. So, can you go to home and tell your mother to take the items that she need to prepare dishes at a time she can take? Can you? Yes? Together we can save our umbrella. Okay, so just have a look at the stage. Ozone is priceless treasure, save it with pleasure. Okay, you say? Priceless treasure. If something happens, we can't do anything. So let's have a change. So save it with pleasure. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Students of 6A are truly delighted to present a special token of appreciation to our school. We are planting a sapling as a symbol of our gratitude. For that, I welcome our leaders Mitra Hari and Ankit M to the stage. To present our token of appreciation, I would like to invite our Principal Sister Molly Sebastian to the stage.
So, respected sisters, we are very grateful to your presence. So, we are eagerly waiting for your valuable words. I hope we will get some enthusiastic words from your part. Welcome, sisters.
A very good morning, children. I am really delighted to be here today, and I really thank Sister Manager Lissy, the Principal Sister Moni, and the Vice Principal Sister Sarai Rosi, and all the teachers and my dear children. It's really an amazing day. And you gave us lot of information about the ozone, and kudos to the team, the teachers, the children, everybody. Well done. Can we all give them a very good hands? Thank you. Thank you. I see really you are very disciplined children, except 1 or 2 here. Others all are well disciplined. Not even talking, just sitting and listening. I think more than half an hour we are here. Nobody made any noise. So it is a credit to all of you, all the teachers and the sisters. So once again, clap for yourself. Very good.
You all enjoy us simply. We are writing our program with word of thanks. For expressing word of thanks, I invite our class leader Ankit on the stage.
Good morning everyone. As we conclude this significant occasion, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to several key individuals who have made this event possible. First and foremost, I offer my deepest thanks to Almighty Lord for His divine guidance and blessings. I extend my sincere appreciation to Sister Maggie Francis and Sister Elizabeth for the valuable presence and motivation. A special thanks to our manager, Sister Lizzie James, for the constant support and commitment to us. We are also very thankful to our principal, Sister Molly Sebastian, for providing us with the opportunity to perform this assembly from our class. Additionally, I would like to convey my heartfelt appreciation to Sister Saya Rose, our beloved teachers and my dear friends for the support and cooperation. Thank you again, everyone who has contributed to making this event a memorable one. Thank you.
Good morning, students. First and foremost, I must congratulate all of you being very much disciplined. I was just wondering, sitting very quietly here. Mr. Folio was amazement. Otherwise, any program will come, they don't have there. Okay. So, congratulations to all of you being a good children. Okay? Yes? So, once again, I thank Sister Maggie for Elizabeth for being with us and joining your assembly. Wish you all the best of day and God bless you all.